Marcoleta arrested in 75 million plunder case. Ito ay article ng Philstar Global, mga kaibigan. Senator Rodante Marcoleta was arrested on Monday, kanina lang to July 6, shortly after the Sandigan Bayan issued a warrant for his arrest in connection with a 75 million plunder case. So actually may nakakatawang istorya nga ito Kung alam nyo lang yung nangyari, eto makwento na natin. Dahil kaninang umaga bago ilabas yung arrest warrant ay parang may isinumite muna sila Marcoleta at ewan ko kasama dun si Defensor na parang sana itigil na yung kaso. Nung hindi tinanggap nung Sandigang Bayan, tapos ayun, after ilang minutes at after ilang oras nabigyan na sila arrest warrant. Huli on the spot. Kaya tingnan natin kung paano nila papaikutin ito, di ba? Marcoleta's lawyer said the senator submitted himself voluntarily to the anti-graft court as an act of good faith. Voluntarily pala. The senator was seen at the Sandigan Bayan to process his return of warrant. Ayun, may proseso. Maaari natin sabihin na nagboluntaryo na lang dahil cornered na siya. Nandun na siya huhulihin na lang Diba wala tayong magagawa. Nandito na ako. Ano pang gagawin natin? Tatakbo ba ako? Hindi ako makatakbo He called Marcoleta's arrest a surrender to the jurisdiction of the court. Shortly after processing his return of warrant, Marcoleta told reporters at the Sandigan Bayan that he had shown up at the anti-graft court prepared to be arrested. As he had no intention of hiding. Wala naman daw siyang intention na magtago. Hindi katulad nung isa dyan, di ba? Marcoleta said that he went to the court today after learning it had immediately calendared his twin motion to quash the plunder case and to defer the issuance of an arrest warrant. So, parang sana, sinasabi niya dito na sana huwag niyong gawin na ilabas yan. Lumabas, ano magagawa ko? Diba? He praised the court's swift action as a positive sign that the rule of law prevails. May pag-congratulations pa sa batas At sabi niya sa in mixed English and Filipino, sabi ng Philstar Global, my purpose in coming here is that if they serve the warrant of arrest, I will accept it. May nagsabi na may bala kang turn around, bright eyes, diba? When asked by reporters on whether his appearance constituted a formal surrender or an arrest, the senator remarked only that he had anticipated all possibilities. So alam naman niya na mukhang arestuhin niya naman siya. Sige. Give him the benefit of the doubt. He added that his legal team, he is fully prepared to counter the indictment. May pag-counter pa sila. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari kapag may pag nandun na sa trial nila, di ba? As for a message to the Iglesia ni Cristo, the group that mounted days of rallies in his defense, ayan pa isa, nag-rally, walang nangyari. Nagkalat lang. Marcoleta stepped away from reporters and turned his back without answering. So sinasabi ba nito na parang siya ba ay tiwalag na? Uy! Marcoleta and the three others charged in connection with the 75 million donation, specifically former lawmaker Mike Defensor and businessman Joseph Espiritu and Aristotel Viray, are set to be held at the Payatas City Jail. So, eto, yung naaresto na rin. Sabi dito, police have already arrested Defensor and Espiritu as of Monday noon. And ang malupit, nasa coffee shop daw sila. Baka nagde-date. Charot. The senators is expected to be detained ahead of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte set on Monday afternoon at the Senate. So, mamaya tingnan natin kung nandun sa article na babasahin natin about sa impeachment na sinabing, ayun nga, absent nga si Marcoleta and the two others who are in the hands of law except for one. Nagtataguin. Di ba? So, yun. At plunder is a non-bailable offense. So, tingnan natin minsan yung non-bailable nagkakaroon ng bail dahil sa kung ano-ano mga pinagagawa nila eh. Di ba? May mga magic yan eh. Pero sabi nila, non-bailable daw ang plunder. Tingnan natin, di ba? Kumakakonvict at may ganyan, di ba? Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division Associate Justice Carl Miranda announced the issuance of the warrant on Monday morning, July 6, after the court. After the court denied Marcoleta's bid to delay the warrant and suspend proceedings in the case. So, yun pala balak niya. I-delay yung yung paglabas ng warrant. Para naman kasi kasama siya doon sa impeachment trial tawag dito, out of siya eh. Oo, ayun. Kung naman ang tawag doon no. Hey. Marcoleta is senator judge in the Duterte's trial and a staunch ally of the vice president is facing a plunder case over 75 million he allegedly received during the 2025 election period. Pero ito ay sinasabi na outside election period to, kaya plunder yung dito, yung isinumiting kaso sa Sandigan Bayan dahil nga outside of election ito at nangyari ito before election period. So, parang tinitingnan nila yung isang ayun. Yung tawag dito, parang nagbigay ng regalo as a house representative nung time na yon, as a member of the house. Kaya plunder yung ikinaso. The case stems from alleged donations that Marcoleta received but did not declare his statement of contributions and expenditures. Ayun, yun nga yung sinabi kanina na wala nga sa SOSE dahil hindi naman siya election period daw nangyari. Nangyari ito before. At kaya naman, nag-receive siya ng gift as a congressman. Hindi ba? Yan ang naging problema niya. The 75 million was allegedly funneled to Marcoleta by former lawmaker Mike Defensor and businessmen Joseph Espiritu and Aristotel Viray within a 4-day period in January 2025. Election period na nun. Di ba kasi nakapagpasa na sila ng election period pala. Tingnan natin kung anong to. Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla earlier said charges would be filed against Marcoleta, Defensor, and others in connection with the alleged transaction. After Remulla's announcement, nag-announce nga pala nung nakaraan na magsasampa ng kaso and parang nagtagal ng 2 weeks ata before makapagsampa, and kung di ako nagkakamali, last Friday sila nakapagsumite sa Sandigan Bayan. After Remulla's announcement on the charges on June 30, Iglesia ni Cristo members held 2-day protest on EDSA People Power Monument in support of Marcoleta. Ayun, nag-rally pa sila para kay Marcoleta. Nahuli din. Anong nangyari? And against what they called selective justice. Yun yung pinaglalaban nila, selective justice daw kasi may kakasuhan. And ayun nga, ewan ko kung nabalita ko yun na yung protest na yun ay walang permit at nagkaroon na lang the day nung nangyayaring yun. Diba? The protest later moved to Manila and ended on July 3. Marcoleta had denied wrongdoings and has described the case against him as fabricated. Pero sabi nga nila, ang isda ay nahuhuli sa bibig. At kaya naging manifest ang naging kaso ay dahil it's a word of mouth. Sa kanya na galing mismo. So ano ilalaban mo? Malalaman natin yan sa mga trial na gaganapin para dito sa kaso na ito. Kaya ano po masasabi nyo sa pagkaka-aresto kay Marcoleta at iba pa? Comment down below!